Hello everyone! So nandito po tayo sa isang private property sa lugar ng Arayat. So tignan po natin itong property na to. Ayan po. Pasukin po natin. Pasok tayo sa loob. So ayan. This property po is more than 2,000 square meter. It has 2 small bungalow. At the same time, meron po siyang existing na warehouse. So as you can see, ito po yung warehouse niya. So kung may business kayo, ideal po siya. Hindi nyo na kailangan magtayo ng warehouse kasi mayroon na po siyang existing na warehouse. Ayan. So puntahan po natin yung lugar na kung saan naroon ang warehouse. So that's the warehouse. So ayan. Malaki po yung warehouse niya. So pwede nyo po yan gamitin. Ayan po yung property. Ayan. It's more than 2,000 square meter. Ayan yung property. That's it. So meron din po siyang small pool malapit dito sa unang bungalow house na pupuntahan natin. So yung bungalow house na green na to, so ito po yung parang mini garden nyo po. And then beside is the swimming pool. Tapos meron silang small kubo beside the small house. So that's it. And then meron po ditong access doon sa bagong bungalow. It's a brand new bungalow na yung meron siyang 1 bedroom with own bathroom. Meron siyang living area and of course kitchen. So ito yung likod niya. Ayan, ayan po. So that's it. So diretso tayo para makita natin yung bungalow. So ayan po. This one is a brand new bungalow. So ito siya. So that's the brand new bungalow. Meron siyang balcony sa harapan. So that's it. So if you're interested for this property, don't forget to send message or text me at 0998-944-8721 for viewing or for inquiries. Thank you guys.